Hello everybody, I welcome you in my online logo class. Today we have a challenge 10. Draw a colorful bunch of flowers. Okay, three colors are there: blue, red and green, and turtle home is this. Are you ready to do this challenge? Okay, so we are on command input box. See, this is the turtle home, so we need to bring the turtle down. BK this is 10 and this is 20, so we can bring turtle down 20. Step back, BK 20. Okay, now turtle comes here. Now again FD20. This is 20. Okay, 25. We take 25. FD 25. Now you need to change pen color into red. So what is the instruction for changing pen color red? You can see here, red 2. It means PC2 is for red color. Okay, PC2. PC2, it forms red color. Okay, now you have to draw this, so it is the center. Okay, red color already you have given, so to move these lines, to draw these circular lines, you need to use repeat command. Okay, REPEAT, repeat. How many times? 120 times. How many times? 120 times. Why? I am giving you reason behind it. 120, because we are these little line angle between these two lines is 3 degrees. Okay, that's why I am taking 120, because 120 multiplied 3 becomes one complete angle, 360. Okay, so repeat 120 times, then FD. This distance we can take how much? We can take 10. Okay, 10 and RT 3 degrees. Now close. What is wrong? What is wrong? Something is missing. That's why. Okay, we clear the screen. CS BK 20, then FD 25, then repeat pen color 2, then repeat 120. Okay, FD 10, then BK 10, RT 3. I'm closing you can note it down in your notebook, then go. See, it has drawn a red color. Okay, now you need to turtle back at home, not home, here. It means you need to give the command BK 25. BK 25. Now turtle again comes here. Now can you imagine the angle between these two lines? You can take 60 degree. Okay, not 60 degree. $30. You can take 30 degree. So LT 30 degree or 45 degree you can take 45. LT 45. Then again 25. Yes, you can take 25. FD 25. Okay. Now this color is blue. So what is the instruction for blue? 1. You can see the instruction. Blue color 1. PC1. Okay. PC1. PC1 for blue color. Again repeat command to draw this pattern. Repeat again 120 lines are here. Then FD, this time we are taking 8 because 10 is bigger, so we are taking 8. Then BK 8 and RT same 3. Okay. Now we need to turtle bring back here, so we need to give one command, pen up BK 25. Okay. Then RT, this is 45 and again 45, 90. RT 90. Then FD 25. Okay. FD 25. BK 25. Pen down because it was not drawing any line, so I have done pen down. Forward 25. Okay. It is green color. How will you draw green color? Do you know code for green color? You don't know? So students, like that you can draw one more circle of this pattern with green color. This is homework for you, and when you do it, write in the comment section that you have completed the challenge. Subscribe the channel so that you can get updates about online logo class. share this video with your friends so that they can also learn online logo and you can discuss with them, and like the video so that I can make some more videos for you and you can learn more and more. Thank you very much.